Next we have to study about solubility. So solubility of a substance is the mass of the solute in grams, the amount of solute in grams which dissolves in 100 grams of solvent at a given temperature. That means we have to take the solvent fixed, 100 grams of solvent you have to take, and the temperature will remain whatever temperature you want to make the solution, and you have to go on dissolving the solute and see how much solute gets dissolved so as to make a saturated solution at that temperature. That is called the solubility of a substance. For example, if 36.5 grams of sodium chloride dissolves in 100 grams of water at 27 degrees Celsius, that means to prepare a saturated solution of sodium chloride in water at 27 degrees Celsius, 36.5 grams of sodium chloride is required. So the solubility of sodium chloride becomes 36.5 grams. Now the solubility depends on three factors. The first factor is the size of the particle. This we have seen many times, that if you are dissolving sugar crystals, if you dissolve in water, it takes time, but if you are taking powdered sugar and you mix it in water, it gets dissolved faster. So the size of the particles is one of the factors on which the solubility depends. If the size of the particle is smaller, then the solubility will be higher. The reason is because solubility is a physical change in which the solute particles take the space between the solvent particles. So if the size of the particles is smaller, it will be easier for them to take the space between the solvent particles. Then the second factor is stirring. Stirring is also sometimes called as agitation. That means you must have seen, if we are preparing a solution, say you are preparing a solution of sugar into water, then we stir it with the help of a spoon. Stirring makes the solubility dissolution faster. Again, the reason is because the particles of the solute will keep on moving and they come in contact with more particles of solvent so that they get mixed easily. So second factor on which the solubility depends is stirring or agitation. Then the third factor is temperature. Generally, it is seen that when the temperature is higher, the solubility increases. Again, the reason is that when the temperature increases, the particles of liquid will move apart from each other. When they move apart from each other, the space between them will increase, and that is why with increase in temperature, the solubility will increase. So these are the three factors on which solubility depends.